Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to switch an Instagram professional account to a private account in 2 simple steps. Here I have taken a professional account. Now select the 3 dots at the top right corner. Now find and select the Create tool and Controls. Select Switch Account Type. Once again select to Personal Account. Now go to Account Privacy under the settings and set it to Private Account. I have now logged into another account. Now you can see the account is private. If this video is helpful, please hit the like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.